This is Tecno Pop 10, which is currently the talk of the town. This is Tecno Pop 10. It's currently the talk of the town, not only because it is very cheap, but because it has a physical structure of iPhone 16, and a lot of people are actually getting this device because of the look and because it is very cheaper. So the store I went in to purchase this device, it was actually out of stock. I had to go to another store to purchase it. So this device comes in two forms. So the first one is 64 gig internal storage and also 3 gigabytes of RAM, which can be extended to about 6 gig of RAM, and the other one is 128 gigabytes of internal storage, which actually comes with 6 gig of RAM extendable also, and it also comes in various colors. As at the time of making this particular video, the 64 gig is being sold for 105,000 naira, while the 128 gig is being sold for 117,000 naira. The main camera, which is the back camera, comes with 30 megapixel, while the front camera comes with 8 megapixel, and the battery capacity is 5000 mAh. But guys, what is the essence of just talking without unboxing this particular little baby together? So come with me as we unbox this device together. And now what we have is this right in front of you, and also you can see the side, which is just like this, and also the front, which is basically like this. So I'm going to tap on it and so you can see what we have right here. So this is the Tecno Pop 10, which is currently trending out now. If you want to purchase this particular device, Tecno Pop 10, you can use the link in the description. Just know I'm going to earn a little commission from the link you use if you basically just purchase using that particular link. And who knows, I might basically dash this device out.